Good
Hello.
afternoon. It's so good to have you. First of all, can you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Drupti. Good afternoon. I'm Mrs. Archana Dharu. I'm the founder member of Accent Career Consultant Services, and I have been into a teaching profession for the past 20 years. And this would be my new startup, you can say, wherein my passion for career counseling will be fulfilled here.
That is great.
There were many incidents that happened lately around me, which I came across through reading material or a few of my friends, their kids. They shared their experience. Basically, I am from an educational background, and I'm working as a principal, school principal. So whenever I talk with the kids, like, where do you see yourself after 5 years, or what next after 10 standard? Everybody is confused. They don't have any clear vision, like where they would go. Many of them say that we have a family business which we will get into, and we will be running that business. But when I deep dive into that do you really have any liking for that, or are you really interested in business or something else? So that time they are like zoned out. No, we don't really know that do we really like it or not, or otherwise we didn't give any thought about it. So it's just like a family business, and we are going to get into it. That's all. Then one of my friend, her daughter, she decided to go for architecture, and after 1.5 years, she realized that no, this is not my cup of tea. And she left that in between. She came back and she completed her master's in statistics, and she is really doing very well with stats now. She was talking with me lately, saying that her 1.5 year is wasted for no reason, just because she felt like her friends felt like. So she went into this, but actually this was never her inclination. So thinking about that, I felt like why not we get into that. At the same time, I was reading through the NEP material, National Education Policy 2020 material, wherein they have made it career counseling a mandate for all the students. So I felt why wait for the mandate to come and knock our doors? Why not we go and open the doors for career counseling? So that was the thing that drove me into this. I was trying to get some consultation or guidance for career guidance. I didn't want to randomly jump into something. So I was searching through various websites, and I was searching through social media, like wherein I came across 2, 3 career counselors, and I read through the material. And the best thing that I liked about Infogon is it's a certified course. And then I visited the website for Infogon, and then I realized that the Department of Commerce has approved the certification. So that becomes a valid certification or a document for you to be a career counselor. We just cannot go around running and presenting ourselves, yes, I'm a career counselor. But if I have a valid documentation, that will really help me in my future journey. So I decided to take up with Infogon, and at the same time, it was just an inquiry, like what it is, how it is, and then the regular feedback or the follow-up that I got from Infogon, that really motivated me to take up Infogon as a career counseling guide, you can say. Okay, first of all, after the onboarding, I got a mail saying that it was a MOU sort of, that what help the Infogon team will be extending and what will be my contribution. So in that case, I realized I just have to give the basic information about myself. The rest, all the things like developing the website and the logo design and all the other technical things that were there, they were taken care by Infogon. So I really didn't had to struggle a lot establishing myself. Like developing a website means I had to find some person who will develop my website and the details and everything. So everything was included in the package, like whatever I paid for, and I really liked that. After that, regular follow-up from Infogon was there, like we would like to update your mobile number, your mail ID. Have you created a mail ID? All these things really kept me on track or aligned in spite of the busy schedule. I was like, even if I tried to postpone, everything came back in the timeline. So that was good about it. Age group, as I said just now, that NEP 2020, it has made a mandate for the school students to have career guidance as compulsory. So not just school students, mostly will have it from standard 9, that is secondary and higher secondary. So NEP 2020 has made it compulsory for school students. So, but I would like to majorly focus on secondary, higher secondary students where they are really in a confused state. Just as I mentioned just now, they really don't know where I'll be after a few years. So that will be my target clientele base. At the same time, many times I have come across people who are not happy with wherever they are right now. They land up in some other career choices. By default, I have taken up engineering and I'm doing this. Or I have seen people who have done mechanical engineering and they are working as IT professionals. So this is really not matching at all, and this is not giving a job satisfaction. So every day pushing themselves for work is really a task for them also, and the output that is expected, we can say on a wider scale, is not what is required. So my clientele base would be majorly from age group 16 to, I can say, for a long period then. So even in the working class also, I can give the career counseling or the guidance.
Okay.
As a counselor, first of all, we, as I have learned through Infocon, that we have to undergo a few psychometric tests by you. And the results that will be there, they will be generated by the AI. This is one thing which I really liked about Infocon, because the human errors will be exempted from that result. There will be no biases that, yes, I feel like. So it will be totally AI generated results, and based on that, whatever my mentor has guided me, that will be the process which I will imply for the students. Like, first of all, building a good rapport with the students, making them feel easy with me. Like, it should not be a third person coming and digging into your life. So making the person easy is what I have learned through Infocon, and that will really help in building a rapport. Then discussing the career or the type of personality that the person is having, and step by step we move ahead to the roadmap, and finally we even mention the packages or the starting salary that the person will be getting if they enter into this industry. So that will be the career counseling pathway, building a rapport to final what you're going to get into your pockets. On the website that is developed, I have my contact number, I have my mail ID, plus I have social media pages on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook. Seeing those where I'll be socially active also, where friends and students or other people, working employees also, they can reach me out and get a proper career guidance from me. My website will be Accent Career Consultation at infocon.in. Definitely, I would recommend to others, because first of all, my principles or my working style is that until and unless I am not convinced or I am not happy with the product, I never recommend it to anybody. But as I said, with Infocon, it's a certified course. The certificates is approved by the government of India, which is really a good startup India life. And after getting that, the benefits, the plus things that I have, right from mentoring to how to give your guidance, the mock drills that are conducted with the mentors, they are really very helpful. And not just once, twice, thrice, and many a times. It's a hand-holding like for your lifetime. So this is a very good thing that is happening in this process, because many a times it happens that you learn something and people leave. So if in future, if I get any problem, I can always have that in the back of my mind, that yes, I have somebody to help me out. After the test, I can say, if I get some different type of combination of a personality and I really get stuck up. But at that moment, I have a confidence that yes, somebody from Infocon is definitely going to help me out in making the roadmap or for the career guidance, where the client would go. So that is a different good thing. How to establish your clientele base, the initial hundreds. That is also really very helpful. It goes like on which social media platform, how are you going to advertise or present your product. So that is a good marketing skill that I have learned through Infigon, and it's really working well.
Thank you so much. We are very glad that you like the services. It has been really great having you.